क्या आप वीकेंड प्लान कर रहे हो, वो भी फैमिली के साथ और ऐसी जगह जहां वर्ल्ड्स टॉलेस्ट स्टेच्यू ऑफ सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल लोकेटेड है। और इतना ही नहीं, काफी सारे अट्रैक्शंस है। यू नीड मिनिमम 3 days टू कवर ऑल द अट्रैक्शंस इन एकता नगर। बट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर टू स्टे। I suggest you the beautiful family resort near Statue of Unity, and this resort offers a peaceful stay for families, couples and leisure travelers visiting Statue of Unity. It's a popular resort near Ekta Nagar and just 9 kilometers away from Ekta Nagar railway station. So welcome to Regenda Resort in Ekta Nagar, Gujarat. This resort is the perfect choice for family retreat, and those who want peaceful and nature-oriented stay, this is the place for them. This resort having 46 well-appointed rooms and cottages with beautiful garden view. This resort also having beautiful lawn area for organizing social events and destination wedding with all in-house facilities and services. Recreational activities you can enjoy at this resort like relaxing at poolside, cycling, outdoor games, archery, playing with your child and many more. Here, stay is incomplete without delicious food. This resort provides multi-cuisine food with taken care of hygiene, and these are the buffet variety that we have enjoyed with our family. It was a truly an amazing stay at Regenta Resort at Ekta Nagar. We spent 2 nights over here with our family and created unforgettable memories. If you want more details, you just contact on this number or DM on this video.